Hello tie knot lovers, Mr. C's How to Tie a Tie. This wonderful creation is called the coil knot. So this is what it looks like, so let's take it apart and let's get started. Okay, and with this knot, for a change, we're going to start off with the blade on the left hand side, tail on the right hand side. And the blade's going to go down to where you normally end up wearing it, down to sort of around your belt line. And with the tail, we're going to cross the front of the blade and go round the back, and then we're going to go up and through. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come through that loop as I pull it. Okay, so we end up with this. Okay, so that's our starting point. Now all we're going to do, so you can see that this is the outside is facing down, so we've got the seam on the facing out, and what we're going to do is just take the tail and we're just going to take it through that loop that we just created, and it's going to come out underneath. Okay, and we're just going to pull that one through. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to stick my finger in there, and then what I'm going to do is just going to bring it back up again. Now I'm going to go down through again and underneath, and you can do this for as many times as you've got enough tie. So that is the second time. Back through again. What you will find, it gets a little bit more difficult each time, and what we're doing is we're just overlapping as we're going across. And we're going to pull these out a bit in a minute anyway. So that's 3. 4, 5, a little bit tighter, and then we're just going to squeeze our 6th one, and then it should stay in there. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to pull these across, like so, and then we can hold bulk of the tie, cinch it up to the neck, pull our collar down,